I have a plan to turn $50 into over $6,000 with Pepe. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pepe right now is up almost 25% on the day. It's about a $500 million market cap, but I think Pepe has so much potential to keep running. Now, I've been doing this series where we're going ahead and buying $50 worth of different cryptocurrencies and seeing what's going to happen. Right now, that $50 that we put into Pepe, worth about $150. So we are up dramatically on that initial investment, but that's just the beginning. As you guys can see in this chart behind me right here, I've broken down some different plans and different sell points that I want to do with that $50. Now I want to be very clear up front here. I'm treating this $50 as if I'm gambling, as if I went ahead, bought scratcher cards. That's kind of how I'm treating this. I'm not all in with this strategy. This was a small amount of money just to see, hey, if I can turn $50 into $6 grand, great. If not, then it's 50 bucks. It's not the end of the world. Now, I ended up buying that $50 of Tunnel Classic at a very, very low price when the market cap was just shy of $150 million. Now, obviously the market cap has run up a lot since then, but I want to start cashing out once we go past a $1 billion market cap. The reason why is I think Pepe has the potential to go beyond the $1 billion market cap fairly easily. And so the plan is to start selling at that $1 billion threshold, then 2, then 4, then 8, then 12, then at about the $20 million threshold, and then at the $40 million threshold. In my opinion, this is a best of both worlds kind of scenario for what I'm trying to do. It allows me to start taking some profits relatively early, get my initial investment back pretty quick going on with these first two cash outs. That way, if things do go south for Pepe, something horrible happens, I'm not at risk. But because I do think Pepe has a lot of potential here, I'm still able to capitalize on a lot of that potential. And sure, maybe I could end up cashing out a few $1,000s more at the end, but if we never get to a $40 billion market cap, which to be clear is massive, that's talking like towards the peaks of Shiba Inu kind of market cap. When you go ahead and look at Shiba Inu, you guys can see that right behind me in just a second here. Shiba Inu peak market cap, you can see coming in at about that $40 billion threshold. So essentially, if Pepe can go up to where Shiba Inu was at the peak, then great, I can cash out a few $1,000s. And if that doesn't happen, if we don't peak quite as high as Shiba Inu, I still am cashing out at all these different thresholds. Now recently, Pepe's been trading up and down in this channel. You can see that we've been somewhat consolidating our pricing. Obviously, we had a massive run up a couple days ago, but since that massive run up, we have been seeing some consolidating where the price is consolidating down. And we have been actually going up recently the past couple hours. So that's pretty bullish for Pepe. And hopefully we can break out and go up beyond this peak that we hit up here, about the 1.5 level. If we can break past that, that would be super bullish for Pepe. Right now, we're just shy of about a 1.3 level. Most likely, if we want to break out past that level and go way beyond for the price of Pepe, we'll need some kind of catalyst. Maybe that'll be a Binance listing, or could be us passing 100,000 holders for Pepe. You can see right now Pepe's over 82,000 different holders for Pepe. And just when we look back at Saturday, we were at 50,000. So we've grown 30,000 holders in just a couple days, which is really bullish for the Pepe ecosystem, Pepe community. By the way, if you think Pepe has a bright future, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more important Pepe updates. We could also see Pepe get listed on KuCoin and other major exchanges as our catalyst event to push us well beyond this price ceiling that we've been seeing recently and have explosive price growth to where I think we could go all the way up to about this 2 level. So about a 70–80% increase from where we are right now, which would bring us to about that $1 billion market cap. If you want to buy Pepe, I'm actually working with MEXC to provide you guys special Pepe airdrops for people who sign up to a new account, deposit funds, and start actively trading. You can earn $100 in Pepe and up to $9,000 worth of USDT, massive rewards that MEXC is being willing to give out right now. So make sure you guys click the link in the description down below, sign up to MEXC, learn about all the different terms and conditions, which are right here explaining how much you have to trade, how much you have to deposit, all that information provided right here. If you want to see how to actually trade Pepe on MEXC, check out this video up here because you can do it in under 2 minutes.